what are your plans for today?
Gang crap.
Smash! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be pulling the swap out of the DC2 Integra. This car was previously on the channel, and we're going to be putting the swap into a little EG Hatch that we bought. So I actually already sold the EG Hatch, and but I'm going to go ahead and start on the swap. I had planned originally to do a K-swap on the EG Hatch. I'm going to be putting this B-Series swap in it. I bought a lot of parts for it, and we're going to be installing a lot of gaskets and whatnot on this motor, getting it ready to go over to my buddy Jesse. We got a stock EG hatch back here, and we're going to be building it. This sucks with the rain, but anyways, I'm going to pull this motor out real quick. This has got a stock, well, it's not stock for this car, but it's a D16 Y7. So I'm going to pull this motor out. I've got it sold, got a guy on the way to get it right now. So yeah, I guess let's get to it. So now I've got the engine and transmission out, so I'm going to go ahead and split the transmission from the engine because I've sold the transmission separately from the engine. The engine's being picked up today. I'm not quite sure when the transmission's being picked up, but I'll go ahead and split them and get it ready. So it's out of the car and nothing's cut. I did it all the proper way, and I guess we'll get through this. And away goes the engine. So now gotta sell the transmission. Well, it's spoken for. The guy just ain't come pick it up. So, and the engine bay is empty. Also, we've got some used coilovers that I bought, and got some camber kits, up control arm camber kit, whatever, and the rear camber kit. So that's where we're at with this. So right now I guess we're gonna try to yank this GSR swap out, and we're actually gonna put this D16 Z6 back into it. This one came out of the dirt track car, if you've seen that one on the channel, just to be able to have some fun with this car. So this is an OBD2 GSR. It's like a 98, I think. So obviously the D16 Z6 is OBD1, but you can make all this work. We're just doing it to have some fun. Alright, so I got the engine on the ground out of the car. I did notice a couple things I got to replace, like the passenger side axle, because you can see it's busted. I'm going to get another header for it. I found a DC header locally used, or maybe new, I don't even know. But anyway, I found a DC header local. I'm going to put it on there. I got to take it all apart, put a clutch in it because the clutch is bad. And when I do that, I'll do the rear main seal and clean it up and everything. So this there really ain't much else to go on today. So I think probably what I'm going to be doing the rest of the night is just getting this D16 Z6 bolted back into it where I can roll this Integra out of the shop. Because I don't feel like tearing in this B18 tonight. So got to put this D16 in here so we can do some yee stuff. Because I don't have nothing in the swap and I won't have nothing in the car, so I'm just gonna go have some fun. Alright, so I went ahead and put the Z6 in here. It wouldn't start initially, the injectors were all clogged up. And still need to put one more injector in there. Number 3 has a misfire, and I'm pretty sure that injector that I put in there wasn't any good either. So it's OBD1 D16 Z6 OBD1 harness plugged into the OBD2 chassis harness, still running on the OBD2 P72 ECU. I don't even care, because what we're doing with this, where we're going, I don't care how good it runs. I just need it to run. But right now it's still misfiring on cylinder 3, so I'll get that addressed and we're gonna send it. Previously, I had shown you guys the sweet ignition setup on this. So we get one tied over here and one tied to this one right here. Woo, look at that. Bam! And then pushes your button. Oh yeah. Oh man, cluster tacker don't work. Man, what am I gonna do now? And I'm pleased to announce that I have since upgraded. So we now have this style ignition switch. And our start button is here. Look at that. Wow, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Flip her off. Flip her off. Oh, yeah. Come on now. Yeah, I guess that's going to wrap up this video. And, well, yeah. So, yeah, make sure to check out the channel for the rest of this series, because I will be going through this motor, and I'll probably do like a DIY reseal on the whole engine. And yeah, hopefully we can get this GSR together pretty soon, or this Civic together pretty soon with the GSR swap.